On today's video, I'm going to show you one of my go-to hairstyles for getting all of my hair up and off my face, including my bangs, in a way that will ensure they do not fall out. So if I'm going to the gym or going out to the beach for the day and I want to make sure none of my bangs fall out, this is the style that I do. What you're going to need for this style is either a couple bobby pins or a couple of these little mini claw clips. I use either or. Today we're going to use the mini claw clips, and these are a great option if you struggle to use bobby pins. I do prefer bobby pins with this style. Bobby pins are my go-to when it comes to securing my hair, but like I said, we're going to use these today instead because they are also an option and sometimes easier for people to use than a bobby pin, and we're also going to get a hair tie. First, I section my hair down the middle, and the whole point of today's hairstyle is to make sure that these chunks of my hair stay back and don't fall out while I'm either working out at a dance class, whatever. Sometimes I don't care if they fall out, but other times, depending on what we're doing, etc., I want to make sure it doesn't fall out. And when I want to make sure that it's not going to fall out, I do a style that specifically holds back my bangs. So then I'm just going to go from kind of the back corner of my part, and I'm going to section down in front of my ear. I'm going to use my brush to brush all that hair back, and I'm going to drop out this hair right there. So I've just got this little kind of triangle section of hair here, and I'm going to twist that. Now you could twist it whichever way. You could twist it towards the ear, or you could twist it towards your part. I'm going to twist it towards my part. I feel like that gives me more volume. And when I do that, I'm now going to take one of my little clips and I'm going to clip, making sure I get the hair from the twist and I feel those little claw clips touch my scalp before I close it. Otherwise, it's probably not going to be clipped very securely. And then I just like to loosen it just a bit so it's not tight, and then we're going to do the other side. I take that whole section, brush it back, drop out the hair from my temple, twist towards my part. We're twisting that way. Get my clip. So that's the bangs off the face. You could leave it like this. If your whole point is just to get your bangs off your face, you could just leave it like this. But I also want my hair up because I'm going to go to the gym or whatever. So then I gather all the rest of my hair up. And from here, it's totally personal preference. You could do a bun, you could do a ponytail. I usually do a bun because I feel like a ponytail irritates me half the time when I'm working out. So I like a bun. But if you just prefer a ponytail, whatever bun you like, whatever ponytail you like, doesn't really matter. Just get that hair up. Now, if I'm going to work out, I'm going to add a layer of Stronghold hairspray on everything just to keep these little hairs that are definitely not going to fit into any of my clips from falling out if I don't want them to, or we're just going to embrace them and let them fall out. You know, you can just wear them down, those little millennial support hairs. We can just rock them, or we can glue them back with some Stronghold hairspray. My favorite Stronghold hairspray is the Tresemme Freeze Hold. And because I know you guys like to see it, let me show you the back. But the back is going to look different depending on how you decided to do your bun and what you decided to do. But that is how I do it if I want to keep all my hair back, have a cute hairstyle. Again, you can imagine it would look slightly different with bobby pins. You're not going to get the accent of these clips, but if you are going to use clips, you can get really fun ones. You can get glitter ones, you can get butterflies, you can get bright colors, or you can just stick with ones that are clear so they kind of disappear into your hair. Or if you don't want to see clips, you can experiment with bobby pins because those do disappear into the hair a lot more than the clip does. But I love this style. It's super secure. Having twisted your bangs like this helps to catch all those hairs and really keep everything in so nothing falls out while you're working out. It's a super secure style. It's great for a pool day, a beach day, a gym day, walking your dog, going for a run, all those kinds of things. So give it a try if you're looking for a way to keep your bangs off your face. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, you know the drill. All that good stuff that helps me out here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.